It is time for another Iceland Undiscovered video, a local tip just for you. Now, there are so many places in Iceland that are not on the map, and if you want to get that solitude feeling on your Iceland trip, you should take note of this place. Kvernufoss is a stunning waterfall that has a high chance of you having it all to yourself. And it's literally just around the corner of Skogafoss. So you make the same exit as you would on Skogafoss, but you drive up to Skogar Museum, and you can actually start the trip by checking out historical buildings. And after that, the hike begins. It's about a 10 minutes walk, and the path leading up to the waterfall, it has these incredible build-ups until you see the waterfall. Twice, actually. I'm just gonna make a quick stop at the Volkswagen dealership in Iceland. They're gonna lend me a car for this trip, and I'm gonna be the one who to unveil it. It's a brand new car. I like your new place, Marco.
Love it. Traditional Icelandic house from the 18th century.
Yeah. Oh man, look at this. Skogafoss. There are no tourists here. We're gonna do Iceland Undiscovered now. I was prepping last night and I had everything ready. I had the drone, I had the Osmo, I had my cameras, everything. Then when I left this morning, I forgot the drone. Oh man. We'll make it work. I'm standing behind the waterfall. Look at that. This is one of my top moments of this year. Pretty cool. Now you can find links in the description about Kvernufoss, but unfortunately there are no guided trips up there since it's quite off the map. But if you would like me to take you there, then just don't hesitate to ask. If you are chasing waterfalls on the south coast of Iceland, there's a high chance of you stopping by Skogafoss. And if you do, you should totally make room for this waterfall. Probably around an hour's trip with photograph stops and everything, but totally worth it. But please guys, like this video, comment, share the love, and hit that bell thing so you can get notified about new videos. And until next time guys, later.